I would like a new sari for Diwali. And if not, then a new purse. A purse will do that too. You're a big time lawyer, right? Which means you must have a lot of money. Can you get me a TV? Or maybe the thing which is used to heat the food in the kitchen?
You're
keep
making
it
me
like-
lose my temper. And I'm not your husband or brother to offer you Diwali gifts. I pay you commission, right? That's enough.
That's not even enough, really.
What?
Tell me, why did you call me?
The apartment complex in front of us has two houses which are useful to us. One is Neha Kamat's house and the other is...
Neha's neighbor, Uncle Bandu's house.
Yes. And both the houses share one thing in common. Wounds.
Wounds?
Yes. See, one family is wounded since they have been abandoned for life. The other family is wounded since their daughter isn't accepting anyone to be with for life. So now you have to reopen Neha Kamat's wound, while I'll apply salve on Uncle Bandu's wounds. Do you get it? Who will benefit from doing all this? I will.
Okay, then say so directly. Why are you being so oblique about it? It's a new year. I must visit Neha and taunt her about her husband, right? This is simple. I always do it. It's not a big deal. You know me.
Listen, dear, you didn't tell me how the snacks taste. Normally, you keep complaining. The karanji isn't flaky enough. The chivda could have been spicier.
Are you enjoying the snacks?
Hey, Paranjape. Come on in, come on in. Please sit.
Wish you both a very happy Diwali. Bless me.
Be happy.
Okay.
Sit, uncle.
Please sit down.
Yeah. How are you feeling now? Is uncle feeling better?
Yes, he's much better.
Here you are, aunt.
What is this?
It's festival time. I thought you should have stuff lying at home. So I got some milk, green vegetables, and of course sweets.
Why? Why did you trouble yourself and bring so much?
Paranjpe, why did you trouble yourself so much?
You must keep all of this. I will bring you snacks to eat.
Okay. I will take this all back. The thing is, I may consider you as family, but you still think of me as an outsider. I remember something from my childhood. I'm mentioning it since I remember. My mother used to reduce milk to make basundi on Diwali. She used to be hot and crispy spinach vegetables. I miss her a lot today. Don't have a mother anymore. So that's why I got all this stuff. Uncle and aunt are my family. But no, it's not like that. I can understand that. I'm sorry about this.
No, of course not. Please don't feel sad. I had no idea about your intent regarding bringing all of this stuff here. Give it to me. Let me keep all of this. But I request you not to bring this again in the future. It feels like a burden to us, you know.
She's right about that.
This is too much. You consider Neha just as your daughter. She is merely your neighbor, right? But still, you are like a family. Even I am doing this out of a feeling of belonging. Why treat me so differently? Uncle, people don't meet each other in vain. God must have planned something. Listen, all I want to say is that please treat me like a family. I mean, treat me like a son, a nephew, an extended family. You can even consider me as your son-in-law. End of the day, the bond matters. Its existence matters. The connection must be formed. I always feel really bad for Miss Neha. Poor lady is all alone. She has a lovely daughter, Pari, but she's alone. I'm here to find a relief from my loneliness. I feel better now. I'll leave now.
Don't leave like this. You wanted to eat basundi, right? Let me make it for you. Please eat lunch before you go.
Oh, no, Aunt. It's Diwali, but there's work to be done.
Okay, but then take some Diwali snacks at least. I'll be back.
Fine. Uncle, the next time that I come here, I want you to be fitting fit, okay? Please have something.
Yes.
Yeah, have it.
Here you are.
Yes, here you go.
My goodness, that's a lot.
No, it's nothing.
Once again, happy Diwali to both of you.
Yes.
See you.
See you.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you.
No matter how many spoons you're given, you must eat by hand, right?
I feel better.
But actually, seriously, today it feels like Diwali, huh? Actually, after years, Diwali's actually felt like a festival. Otherwise, I never realized when it arrived and went by and what transpired.
Sir, that's true. How would you know? All you did 24/7, day in, day out was work and work. Finally, we have come to India and we are with a family. You're going to the office as an employee. You mingle with the people. That's why you have some space and time, and so you feel it.
That is so true. One must be home for Diwali. It feels so good. We're at home with the family. Grandpa's around, aunt and uncle are around. Everyone's here. You are there anyway.
Obviously, I come along as a freebie no matter where you go.
But you know what, Samir? Ever since we put up this charade of the boss and the employee, since then a lot of things about a lot of people have been revealed. And I find a connect which I never shared with them before, ever. So many things happen in people's lives, right? I've seen it all from so close. Samir, we are very lucky. If we want to buy something or get something, we don't even have to think twice. We can do anything. We can buy anything we want. We don't even have to think about it. It would be so great if everyone could have had that experience. Anyway, Samir, I have to get a gift for Neha. Amazing. I mentioned Neha and you didn't react at all.
Normally, I bring up something about Neha. I speak a lot, and you scold me for it. Today, you have mentioned her. It feels like a Diwali blessing to me. Besides, you want to give her a gift. What else can be said? Let's get this done.
The other day, while I was at our house, I noticed that she got gifts for almost everyone in her society for Diwali, and we know her salary, how much cash she has. But despite that, she managed to get something for all. But she didn't get anything for herself. She's given me a gift too. So I felt that we should get her a gift too. What do you say?
All these reasons are genuine, and I believe them. If you are saying this to make me say yes, then I have given my approval. Let's get this done.
Hey, I didn't mean it like that. I want your suggestion about what kind of gift to buy. I mean, your experience in this matter is quite vast, you know.
One moment. How can I have vast experience in giving gifts to girls?
Don't you?
I don't.
Back in Dubai.
Let it be. Please don't rake up the past. Give her what you want. Just a bit of advice. When you go to give the gift to her, wear the pink shirt that she gave you as a gift.
It looks so childish wearing the shirt she presented to give her a gift.
Listen to me. Girls like that. Yash. On Diwali, you have put aside the fancy clothes to wear the shirt she gifted you. She's bound to like it. Listen to me.
Told you so. You have the vast experience in this matter, right? Listen, back in Dubai.
Let's eat some snacks.
Mom, I want some more chaklis.
Yes, dear. I'll get it.
Happy Diwali! So, what are you doing? Pari seems to be eating snacks. What are you eating? Are you eating chaklis? Let me see the chaklis. Wow, wow. They're nice and crispy. Wow. Neha, the chaklis are superb. Wow.
Mom, I want some more chakli. And eat all of my chaklis.
Yes, dear. You take these. You take these, dear. Sister-in-law, please wait. Let me get some for you.
Yes. So, Pari, my dear, how are you? Are you enjoying Diwali? Did you bust crackers?
And I don't burst crackers. It causes pollution.
Take this, sister-in-law.
Your child is something else. She speaks like an adult. Well, I guess she can't help it. She has faced so much as a child, huh? Kids grow up quickly after that.
Sister-in-law, please taste the snacks. Tell me how it tastes.
Let me taste it. Here, I will taste this first. Laddus made with ghee. How could you afford to buy ghee? Huh? They're very tasty. But who did you make all these snacks for? For someone special? There is not anyone in the family to eat it. Who did you make so many snacks for? Just the two of you. Come on festivals, when you have someone close to you, it adds to the joy. Do you understand? You feel a bit happy. It's great fun to celebrate the festival too.
Let it go, sister-in-law. Pari and I are happy.
I know both of you are happy right now. I know it. But if you had someone close to you who is just for you at home, then the joy doubles up. The joy grows. Listen to this. It's the New Year today, right? I applied Uptan to your brother. I massaged him with oil and gave him a nice bath. That's how I celebrate the New Year, see? I know it. You won't say anything, but you must be missing your husband. Because he left you while you were expecting her? You needed support back then actually, but he went away anyway. What else? He didn't even come to meet you. He didn't even call you. He ruined both your lives. When you are both alone on our festival, the thought of it makes me tear up. I get so emotional.
Pari, my dear, go out and play.
Yes.
Listen, she's the one I feel so anguished about. She's such a sweet child. Huh? Listen to me, dear, huh? Listen to me. Listen to me? Now she must be feeling it too. When she sees that other kids have fathers, that she would like to have a dad and spend Diwali with him, she would have burst firecrackers with him, right, Pari? On New Year's Day, girls pray to their fathers ritually. She would have felt like doing the ritual with her dad, right? How can she express her joy? Am I right, Pari?
Sister-in-law, I keep telling you. Why don't you listen to me? Don't bring this topic up. Pari and I are fine. We don't want anyone else to get between us.
When do you ever listen to me? Do you ever listen to me? You can only get married until you are young. Once you get older, no one will marry you, Neha. But I will keep visiting. I will do the job of talking to you in any way. It's Diwali. Both of you are alone. That's why I came here for both of you. But you celebrated Diwali with a twist. I won't stay here anymore. I will leave now.
Hi, Yash.
Wish you a very happy new year.
Wish you the same. But what brings you here suddenly?
Amazing. You always tell me that I should come over since I live alone. Now that I've come over on Diwali and you ask me why I've come out of the blue, I can go if you want.
Yash, where are you going? Come on in. You are even more dramatic than Pari is. Come on in.
So tell me, where is Pari?
Diwali holidays have begun, right?
Yes.
All of them must be at someone's house creating a racket.
I see.
I will bring some snacks.
The courier should have arrived by now. Why hasn't his gift arrived yet? I should tell Samir to buy a stake in the courier agency. This is meaningless.
Here you are.
Wonderful.
What is it? Why didn't you wear a kurta? No, I asked since it's Diwali.
This shirt is nice too. You gave it to me, remember?
Oh, yes.
Doesn't it look good?
No, it looks fine. Why are you looking out constantly?
I know. I'm looking out just to see the nice decorations that have been put up. There are lanterns and lamps, rangoli.
I know, right?
It looks good.
Neha,
Yes, aunt. Come on in.
here are the snacks. I
Okay.
won't come in and I won't sit now.
Okay.
Wish you a very happy
Wish
new
you
year.
the same, aunt.
Your name?
Yash.
Yes, this is good. Wish you a happy
You
new
too.
year. See you.
Okay, aunt. Bye. What are you looking at? She has gone. Sit.
Yeah, I'll sit. Yeah, I'll help myself.
Courier!
Courier, Neha, there's a courier. Neha.
Yes, I heard you. What's the big deal?
Neha Kamath,
Yes.
there is a courier for you.
A courier? Who sent something to me?
There is no name, number, or address of the sender,
Then it can't be mine.
but you are Neha Kamath, right?
But who sent me a package?
Neha, someone must have sent something for you. I mean, the person must have forgot to write the name and number in a hurry. Possibly the person didn't write it. Now, what can this poor guy tell you? I mean, where can this guy go roaming on Diwali? Keep in mind to keep it.
I will go if you don't accept it.
Where are you going, my friend? Give the package you brought to ma'am.
Give it.
One minute. Here you are.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Hey, why don't you check it out?
The courier is for me, right?
No, I mean,
Why are you in such a hurry?
that's correct, of course, but I mean, someone may have sent a gift, something nice.
How do you know it's a gift?
I mean, usually people send gifts during Diwalis, right? So that's why I thought it's also gift wrapped, and I love opening such presents at once. That's why I'm telling you to see what it is.
Hello, Shefali. You sent me a gift, right? Thank you so much.
It's not Shefali,
I know. You sent this, right? There are very few people who would give me a gift this way. Uncle and aunt would have done it by giving me the gift directly. Then there is Shifali. She would have called 50 times to ask if the gift arrived or not. The third person is you. So I know that you have given this to me, right? It's Diwali and you have given this gift so sweetly. But please, don't spend any money on me. By the way, it's a really nice dress. I love it. Thank you.